I saw the flashes in the dark, colors on the wall, bright against the monochrome, where I felt so small. I drew the curtains up, pulled away the blinds, heard a rushing wind through the windows of my mind, and I began to glow with a love divine. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Adonai. Shine, shine.
Guys, welcome back to one of my favorite places ever. We are at Trinity Lake in California this weekend. It is up north, kind of towards the Oregon border. This year is, I think, the 4th year that we've come. We normally come over Memorial Day weekend and just camp the whole weekend, spend a bunch of time on the lake, go fishing, and it's amazing. And our dog loves it. She acts like a puppy. She's 13, but she acts like a puppy every single time we come. It's the sweetest ever. Come here, baby. Oh, hi. You want to say hi? Everyone loves you. Mwah. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so we are about to hop on the boat and go fishing for a couple of hours this morning. So I will obviously take you guys along and show you. The water levels are so low. I'll link my video from last year here talking about how low the water level is, and it's even significantly lower. Like, this all should be underwater, like all the way up there. I will continue to show you guys. That part is very sad. Okay, we are going to get on the boat now and I will take you guys along.
Shine, shine in the golden gaze of the mighty eye. When I was a boy, rolled up like a cigarette, the jacket didn't fit quite yet, the leather made me sweat. Over time I shook it.
This is good. This is good lighting here. There you go. Okay. So, we are on the glorious sea, also known as Trinity Lake. So, as a multi-talented fisherman, cameraman, my crew is here filming for me. But I have to share my knowledge of fishing and my years of experience here at the beautiful Trinity Lake has taught me one thing above anything else, that the snack bucket is the most important bucket on the ship. We have hard-boiled eggs, we have salt and pepper for said hard-boiled eggs. We have 2 types of cracker assortments. We have carrots, we have dip, we have more dip, and we have a beautiful day. Most importantly, we have coffee, and we are set to fish. So
are you sure?
I'll be here all day, and you will get more fishing tips. So I'll catch you soon. Probably no fish, but I'll catch you soon.
Oh, when I was a boy, rolled up like a cigarette,
Would you like a hard-boiled egg?
the jacket didn't fit quite.
Anybody hard-boiled egg, going once, going twice,
Leather made me sweat.
sold to the highest bidder.
Time I shook.
Hello! What are you doing?
Right now I am about to have a hard-boiled egg.
Awesome.
Eggy!
Beautiful.
You know, we can, if you guys want to.
Little things shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Adonai. Shine, 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 shine in the mud. It clouds like smoke.
Come on. Oh! Wait, is this the same one? Oh,
In the water. There comes a light from behind,
Closer, kiddo.
beaming up from the unknown, dancing in my shadows, illuminating everything. I can see the glow from a love divine. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light.
Okay guys, so we are off the boat, just like on the shore right now, and I just want to reiterate that right now where I am walking and all of this behind me should all be underwater, which is really unbelievable. I mean, look at this. This all, I have been on a boat on top of this in the water. And it just is so sad to see. The water lines are so low. I talked about this in last year's video, and the water line is just so far down even from that. And I just think that, you know, it's very sad to see. So I will show you guys more, but you can see just from the video of the lake that it's far below where it needs to be. Ouch. Me trying to gracefully walk and I trip over a rock. Love that for me. Hey, pretty girl. Guys, this is your sign if you were thinking about like taking a camping trip, going in nature, spending some time just like by the water or outdoors. This is your sign that you should do it, because I mean, it's so magical. It just like is a reset on life. I feel like it's just like so healing and so beautiful, and it just like makes you slow down and like really just, I don't know, kind of contemplate life and appreciate things. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying myself. So we're here. I don't think I even filled you guys in on like our itinerary or anything, but I will definitely like be giving you guys a full rundown and taking you guys along for the whole trip.
In the naked light of Adonai, don't shine, 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 shine in the golden gaze of the mighty eye. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Adonai. Shine, 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 shine.
Alright friends, update. We are back from the boat. We are barbecuing. It's like, what time is it? Like 1 o'clock right now? Yeah. Like 1 o'clock right now. We just went down to the little store down the street and picked up some Angry Orchard. We are barbecuing on the patio, and I am going to take you guys out there with us. I'm gonna crack open one right now. It's gonna be good.
In the golden gaze of the mighty eye.
What TV show did you like to watch?
Flashes in the dark.
Yeah.
Flashes in the dark. Colors on the wall.
I actually have not one clue.
Right against the monochrome. But I felt so small.
Literally. Yeah.
I drew the curtains up.
I think they're good. I just stuck one and
Pulled away the blinds.
Rick, did you ever watch my camping video from last year?
The windows of my mind.
From Trinity?
I began to glow.
obviously, how do I
with
get
the love divine. Shine, shine,
That looks good.
shine,
doesn't it?
shine.
I know, I should have waited.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. So there's a school right next to the little Airbnb. So we're going over here to play some catch and maybe play on the playground.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's like, what time is it? Like 7:30? 7 o'clock?
7:30.
7:30, around there. The sun is kind of setting. We've been sitting on the patio for a long time. We were doing that, enjoying the night. It's a little breezy, but beautiful. We have tonight here, and then in the morning, I think that some people are gonna go fishing, some people are not. I think that I might not, and I might stay and make breakfast and stuff, and then the people who are fishing can come back and have like a big breakfast. And then we're heading home tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's been such a fun trip, but it was like Friday evening. No, we left Saturday morning, and then had all day today, part of the day tomorrow, and then we go home. 5, kiddo. Nice.
Wait, let's do it like this.
Oh, like our handshake? Nice.
Pulled away the blinds, heard a rushing wind through the windows of my mind, and I began to glow with the love divine. Shine, 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 shine. In the naked light of that night.
That'd be good.
Shine, shine,
A decline. Okay, sorry.
shine, shine.
And a 3 meat.
Over there.
In the golden gaze
Here.
of
Yeah,
the
right.
mighty high.
Perfect, thank you.
It looks delicious.
How does it taste though?
Next.
Hello my people. It is now 8:20 on Sunday evening, so our trip is coming to a close very shortly, but I am just sitting out on the back patio right now, and we leave in the morning, well, I guess early afternoon really. We're gonna, like I was saying, I think some people are gonna go out on the boat tomorrow, and others are just going to stay home and relax and maybe like make some breakfast and just hang out. I'm starting this book called The Rules of Magic by Alice Hoffman. I've heard really good things about it. I really like Reese's Book Club suggestions. I know I've said that in previous vlogs, so I'm excited to try this one. I'll obviously keep you guys updated on how it's going. So I am sitting out on the back deck right now, hanging out with my dog and reading my book, but it's just so beautiful out here. I wanted to like come enjoy. It's like the perfect temperature. It was like in the mid 80s today, I think, and it's just like the perfect evening. It's a full eclipse tonight, which I'm so excited to see. It's supposed to be really, really beautiful. That's supposed to happen like around 9 and like peak at midnight. I think I'll be asleep by midnight, but I think that we can view the moon from here. I'm so excited to see it. I'm super bummed because I didn't bring my tripod, so I can't really do like any astrophotography very well, just because if you know anything about photography, you know, that has to be like super still, which you can only achieve like on a tripod and all that. So that's a bummer, but I'll see if I can get a couple of astrophotography photos because I think that it's so fun doing them. It was really good to like get away for a weekend, and I'll show you guys more tomorrow and for the rest of the evening if we do anything exciting. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a good night, and I'll talk to you soon.
When I was a boy, rolled up like a cigarette. The jacket didn't fit quite yet. The leather made me sweat. Over time I shook it off, turned to face the breeze. I learned to see it all.
Yeah, too. Good morning, friends. I am outside about to make some breakfast on the barbecue. We're just gonna do some eggs and sausage and stuff real quick. Yeah, it's like, I think like 9 o'clock. We have to get going shortly. So I'm just gonna make some breakfast and we're gonna finish packing up and head out for the day.
When I was a boy, rolled up like a cigarette. The jacket didn't fit quite yet. The leather made me sweat. All the time I shook it off, turned to face the breeze. I learned to see it all at once, caught in the little things. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of that night. Shine, 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 shine in the golden gaze of the mighty eye. There's a darkness in the mind, it clouds like smoke, it lingers in the corner, it slides like a ghost, it comes alight from behind.
You have never looked better, honestly.
Beaming up from the
Okay guys, unfortunately the weekend is coming to a close. It's now Monday morning around noon, I think, and we are all checked out. The car is packed and we are ready to go. It's car started. They're waiting for me to finish off the vlog because I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed our time here at Trinity. It's such a fun tradition. I love coming up here with the family every year. It's so fun, so beautiful, as you guys can see. I hope that this gave you a glimpse into like what it's like here and maybe inspired you guys to get outside, go camping, hit the lake, do all the fun things this summer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you like the video, and there's going to be a ton of outdoor content coming to you guys from Montana, from California, from all the places. So really excited for my summer plans and I hope you guys stick around for them. But anyways, thank you guys again so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.